To submit an assignment that has been created as a Google Drive assignment by your teacher, you are going to click on the assignment. And when it opens up, you will click on My Document. When you do this, Schoology will make a copy of the original document that your teacher had created, and you can now access this both from Schoology and from your Google Drive. If your document is not opening, you can click where it says click here for can't see your document. You may need to connect your Google Drive account, and then it will reload. You will complete your assignment, and when you are done, simply hit Submit Assignment. To submit an assignment that you have located in your Google Drive, but that isn't necessarily a Google Drive assignment like was seen in the previous clip, here's how you're going to submit it. Click on the assignment, and over on the right-hand side, you're going to click Submit Assignment. Because the assignment is located in your Google Drive, you need to go to Resources, Apps, and then it should direct you to the Google Drive Resource app. If you have not connected your Google Drive to your Schoology account, you'll be prompted to do so. You will then choose the document that you want to upload, check the box, select Import, and import file. If you have to submit an assignment and it is located on your computer, but not necessarily in your Google Drive, follow these steps. Click on the assignment and click on Submit Assignment. Instead of going to Resources, you're going to click on the icon that says File. Choose the file that you want to upload, select it, select Open, and then hit Submit. To submit an assignment that you have on your phone, like say a picture of work that you completed, you need to first have the Schoology app downloaded to your phone. On an Apple device, you can find this on the App Store. If you are on an Android device, you can find this in the Google Play Store. Once you have the app downloaded, you will be prompted to log in with your BSCSD credentials. To submit a photo that you have on your phone, you'll want to open up the Schoology app, and then from the app homepage, you're going to click the hamburger icon or the three lines in the upper left corner. Go to Courses, select the course that you want to submit work for, click on the assignment, and then select Submissions. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner, select Submit Photo or Video. You will then select the photos you want to submit. Once you have selected them, click the green check mark in the upper right corner. Your submissions will then show under Your Submissions when they have properly uploaded. To submit an audio recording, follow the steps outlined before, but instead of selecting Submit Photo or Video, you will select Record Audio. The audio recorder will then open. Tap the record button to start recording. When you are done, hit the red record button again. You can then preview your recording, and when you are satisfied with it, select the green check mark in the upper right corner. Your recording will then show under Your Submissions when it has properly uploaded.